Coinbase is one of the largest and most recognized cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, with a mission to make digital currency accessible to everyone. Headquartered in San Francisco, Coinbase offers a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and managing a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. What sets Coinbase apart from many of its competitors is its emphasis on regulatory compliance, security, and simplicity, which has made it especially appealing to beginners and institutional investors alike. Over the years, Coinbase has grown into a publicly traded company, becoming the first major cryptocurrency exchange to go public on the Nasdaq in April 2021, under the ticker symbol COIN. This move marked a milestone in the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies and significantly boosted Coinbase's profile in the financial world. The platform operates in over 100 countries and serves tens of millions of verified users, providing services that range from basic trading and investing to advanced features like staking, crypto wallets, and educational content through Coinbase Learn. Coinbase Pro, a separate platform under the same brand, caters to more experienced traders by offering a more sophisticated interface with lower fees and more detailed trading tools. Security is a core priority for Coinbase, with the majority of customer funds stored offline in cold wallets and backed by strong encryption protocols. The company also offers insurance for digital assets held on the platform, further enhancing trust among users. As the crypto landscape continues to evolve, Coinbase has kept pace by expanding its offerings to include NFTs, DeFi integrations, and support for emerging blockchain technologies. Its mobile app has received positive reviews for its clean design and functionality, allowing users to trade and monitor their portfolios on the go. Additionally, Coinbase has established itself as a thought leader in the industry, regularly publishing insights, reports, and guidance for both retail and institutional investors. Despite facing challenges like regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and competition from decentralized exchanges, Coinbase has remained resilient and continues to adapt its business model in response to shifting market dynamics. The company has also been proactive in working with regulators to shape the future of cryptocurrency policy in the U.S. and globally. With its growing ecosystem, commitment to innovation, and focus on compliance, Coinbase is well positioned to remain a dominant player in the crypto space as digital assets become increasingly integrated into mainstream finance. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to dip your toes into crypto, or a seasoned investor exploring advanced trading options, Coinbase offers a reliable and secure gateway into the world of digital currency.